Hi, Mary.
Hi! Today we are gonna do an science project. We are gonna make homemade clay.
Homemade clay for your science project. Okay, so can you please show us the ingredients or the materials needed? The flour. Where's the flour?
Here, the flour.
Okay.
The flour.
Okay, we have the salt.
We have the salt.
Where's the salt? Okay. And then we have the alum.
Yes, it's here.
Where's that? Ito yon. Or yung tawas. The alum. And then you have powdered kailangan. And then you have the boiling water. So I'll just put it there. And you have the oil. Where's your oil?
Here.
And since you don't want the food coloring, you are just going to paint it after. Okay.
And I'm gonna mix it. Right, Mommy?
Okay, hi Mary. Can you please read the new words?
Blow, clear, crook, quiet, jerk, loud, Mr. Mumbles, newspaper, patch, period, problem,
Punctuation.
Question, sudden, tear, trouble, visit, word bird.
Okay, thank you Mary.
Bye.
Hi Mary.
Hi.
Hi Mary.
Today we are swimming. That's why we're in the pool.
So for your PE exercise,
We are gonna swim.
okay, for the swimming exercises,
I'll
first,
show you
how
mine. How
paddle?
to paddle.
yun nga, show us. 1, 2. Again.
One more.
One more.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. And then,
Now, my swimming skills.
your swimming skills, can you please show us? Can you try 3 repetitions? Back and forth. Ready? Then go back.
Next.
Then again. Okay.
Woo.
And then what else?
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Diagonal.
Ways.
Diagonal swimming. So, from that point.
Now, the other way. The other way.
Oh, you're really swimming. And then to the other point. Slant. Wow.